In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for updates on Razer Mouse. This process is essential to ensure your mouse operates smoothly and efficiently. Keeping your mouse firmware and software up to date can fix bugs and improve performance. So let's get started. First, open Razer Synapse. You can find this application on your computer if you have it installed. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to the official Razer website to download it. Once you open Razer Synapse, you will see a user-friendly dashboard. This central hub is where you can manage all your Razer devices. Seeing the dashboard means you are ready to check for updates. This is an important step because the software manages your mouse settings and updates. Once you are on the dashboard, look for an update prompt. If an update is available, you will usually see an update button prominently displayed. Click on the update button to start the installation process. The updates are typically downloaded automatically in the background. This means you can continue using your mouse and other applications without interruption. Keeping your software up to date is vital for maintaining optimal performance. You will notice a smoother experience with your Razer mouse after updates. Now, if you are using Razer Synapse 2.0, the process is a bit different. Click the settings icon, which looks like a gear, located in the upper right corner of the window. This will take you to a new settings menu where you can manage various options for your mouse. This step is crucial because it allows you to manually check for updates that may not have been automatically downloaded. After clicking the settings icon, find and select the Check for Updates option. This option will prompt the software to search for any available updates for your mouse. If an update is found, you will see a notification indicating so. This is a key moment because it confirms that your device is eligible for improvements. You want to ensure your mouse has the latest features and bug fixes. When an update is found, click on Update Now. This action will start the installation of the new firmware or software. You will need to wait for the installation process to finish. Typically, this does not take long, and you will see a progress bar indicating how much time is remaining. This progress bar is reassuring as it shows you that the update is actively being applied. It's also worth noting that some Razer mice receive separate firmware updates. If your specific model has a firmware updater available, you will need to download it from the official Razer support website. Following the instructions provided there is essential for your model. This additional step ensures that you are fully aware of any unique requirements for your specific mouse. With that ready, you can enjoy the enhanced performance and new features that come with the updates. Regularly checking for updates will keep your device in top shape. Staying updated also helps to minimize potential issues and maximize your gaming experience. In summary, checking for updates on your Razer mouse is a simple but crucial process. By following these steps, you ensure that your mouse is functioning at its best. Always remember to keep an eye on the updates available to maximize your device's performance. Thank you for watching and happy gaming!